Welcome to Fashion Trends. Subscribe to receive free latest updates from our channel, friends. And remember to click the bell icon to receive more crafting videos from our channel. Hello, hilarious friends, and welcome to Fashion Trends. So today in our video, we are going to be seeing about Temple Blouse collections, guys. As we all know, Temple Blouse collections are the most beautiful. They're also really cool. Today in our video, we are going to be seeing about that, guys. So today I'm going to be talking about what are the workings, the designs, the colors, guys. So without wasting a minute, let's go on this awesome video. So guys, talking about what are the best colors to choose, you can try using bright colors like pink, yellow, orange, green, blue, brown, which is also gotta be great. Or you can try using purple, which is gotta be cute, guys. And you can try using beautiful colors as I mentioned, so it's also gonna be beautiful. So guys, some people are totally obsessed with workings. You can try using mirror workings, which is gotta be the great idea. Or you can try using some other beautiful chunkies, which is gotta be great. You can also try using tassels or the net blouse designs, which is also a total great idea. So guys, talking about the designs, if you're a wedding person, you can try using a bride and the groom, which has gotta be the great design, guys. And you can also have beautiful colors in them, which has got to be a great idea. While on the other hand, people who visit the temple love having some of the god pictures, which are a great idea, guys. And if you're going to a party or a party, you can try having a little temple as a design. Or you can also try using some of the other designs or even peacocks, which is gotta be totally great. So, hope you really enjoyed this video, guys. And if you really love this video, then remember to subscribe to our channel and do like, guys. And wanna be the Fashion Friend family and wanna join that, then remember to watch our channel videos. You can also comment us on topics that you really love, like fashion topics, so we can make cool videos that you love to watch from our channel. And also remember to share this video with all of your friends and relatives, guys. So bye, guys. See you next awesome video.